you're skeptical. You could have a little faith, it never killed nobody. What you waiting for?
Do you know how to find events like this in Japan?
It's just getting started.
Which car do you think that won the competition in this category? How much does it cost to drive a car at Kiko circuit? If you like drifting, this video is for you. My name is Kiko and I'm living in Tokyo with Yoko, my pretty Japanese wife. I've been working as a Formula race mechanic more than 10 years and I love drifting. I came to Japan following my dreams. I work with Mugen and nowadays I'm working with Tom's Racing. Come with me to discover Japan. We arrived at Kiko circuit. There is a drift event for car modified Honda. There is like 100 cars.
Just make a move and break the tension.
They had sessions, different ones, because all of them together in the same it's impossible. It's unbelievable.
Skeptical. You could have a little faith, it never killed nobody. What you waiting for? Getting closer by the step.
If you don't know car modified Honda, they design and they build body kits from zero. If you want to have these parts in Europe, you can find it at Drift Shop, the best shop for drift cars in all Europe. They have a really good connection with car modified Honda. And we're gonna have the honor to meet the owner of car modified Honda, that is Haruyama-san. He is a drift legend in Japan with a unique driving style. He used to drive in B1 Grand Championship for more than 20 years. We're gonna have a little talk with him, and we cannot be drifting because we don't have the car yet here in Japan. Hopefully we get it soon. So let's go inside and let's check this car. The level of drifting is unbelievable. These people, it's crazy drifting. They just...
Skeptical. You could have a little faith, it never killed nobody. What you waiting for? We're getting closer by the step. Feels like it's just getting started.
We are in the parking now, and you can see all the cars parked. There is no entry fee, so you can arrive here without. But it's difficult to know when the event is going on. There is car here, car in the other side, and they have more space for more cars. So, as he was saying, maybe they were arriving to more than 100 cars in the previous events. Now is starting the class that they are a little bit more dangerous, as Haruyama-san was telling to us, because they have less experience. They separate the people for the skills that they have to avoid any kind of accidents and to let some space between them. Attending to this event is for free. But how much do you think that costs to drive in this event? Including the competition, the cost is only 14,000 yen. Which car do you think that won the competition? From all the incredible builds that they have, only few people were in the podium. One car has been winning for the last 2 years in a row. We have been talking now with Haruyama-san, the owner of Car Modified Honda. He was saying that these two cars, it's a couple that they are drifting, and the lady is like 50 years old and she's pretty good doing it. Now it's gonna be a little bit of a break. No, we don't have breaks. They say that on January they're gonna be organizing another event as well. We're gonna go to make a small break and try to film a little bit the car. Fast break, eating a little bit. I got some curry and you can have some udon. They are doing now a competition one by one. He almost spin. Which car do you think that won the competition in this category? On number 5, we have this crazy Nissan Silvia. On number 4, we have this crazy S14, another Nissan Silvia. On the podium, number 3, we have this Skyline. Second place for this amazing driver. And the winner for this incredible Wonder Cup 2025 from all the cars is this incredible Nissan Silvia. Let me know in the comments which car is your favorite one, because we are planning to do a new video with way more drifting. They just broke here the gasket of the turbo. They are stopped to drive for today.
Feel like summer, any pizza tastes like honey. Obsessing, oh my god, I wanna feel you. Watermelon, sugar sweet. Now we're sitting on the beach. I can't help it, I'm obsessing. Oh my god, I wanna feel you. I know you feel the way that I feel now. Done set, breeze, get closer to me now.
Walking on the paddock, I just find him that he's Australian guy. So Paul have been driving here in the circuit. They borrowed him a car. Explain us a little bit. What are you doing here? Why you are driving this car?
I'm just on a holiday and my friend who owns the car offered it to me for today to, just use it like it's my own.
That's crazy. I want to see you drifting that around.
Yeah, sure. Well, there's one more session, so.
Get closer to me now.
So the event is finishing and now they're gonna be giving the prizes. Now has been the last group going. We met the Australian guy that was riding and also a few interesting people that we will be getting in touch, like this Skyline that he's keep improving to drive. He was going up with the right head, trying to improve the feeling. Thank you for watching the video. Hope you enjoy it and see you in the next one.